Hello, people. Hello, everyone. Okay, so we have to wait for Radha Sharma. Okay. Hi, guys. This is Sehban Azim, and we're gonna be talking about soulmates. Okay. So I'm gonna bring Ada Sharma live, and we both will talk about our film, how it happened, and how much fun we had doing it, and we'll talk about Ada Sharma because she's a soulmate. Let me wait for her. Okay, let me see if she's online. Okay. Anybody wants to ask any questions from Ada, please let me know about the short film, especially which is on Eros now. If you guys haven't seen the film yet, please log on to Eros now and watch the film called Soulmates. It's a beautiful film. It has Vandana Pathak, Ada Sharma, and me in it, and I have a feeling you guys will like it. Okay. Where is Ada Sharma? Okay, till the time. Anybody has a question for Ada? Thank you, Kalma Beats. Thank you, Sareem. I'm glad you liked the film. Lakshay. Hi, Lakshay. कल्याणी कहाँ है? कल्याणी शूट कर रही है, मैं अपनी सेट पे शूट कर रहा हूँ. वी आर शूटिंग फॉर तुझसे राब्ता, बट आई हैव टेकन टाइम फॉर दिस शॉर्ट फिल्म, एंड या वी गोना बी टॉकिंग विद Ada Sharma, and let me see where she is. Thank you, Sehana. I'm glad you loved the movie. Where is Ada? Where is Ada? Oh, she's not yet. Okay. Till the time she joins in, we do more of. Here it is. Shit. Hi, Anisha Rahman. Hi, Tanu. Guys, have you seen the film yet? Have you guys seen the film? If you haven't seen the film, please go watch it. It's a beautiful film. I love doing it. It's very close to me, and I love it. And you have to see the film if you still haven't seen it. Yeah. Thank you, Ayushi. Lots of love to you too. That's so sweet of you, Anchal. मेरी अगली शॉर्ट फिल्म बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है इरोस नाउ पे अगेन, एंड आई थिंक यू गोना लाइक इट. इट्स डिफरेंट, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड आई थिंक यू गोना लाइक इट. इट्स कॉल्ड अनकही. यू गोना लव इट. आई विल कम लाइव विद रीम ऑल्सो, बट राइट नाउ इट्स टाइम टू बी लाइव विद अदा शर्मा. तो हम अदा से बातें करेंगे और उससे पूछेंगे कि हाउ इज शी एंड हाउ शी डूइंग एंड हाउ वाज हर एक्सपीरियंस शूटिंग विद अबीर सेन गुप्ता, एंड इफ शी लाइक्ड वर्किंग विद वंदना पाठक. सो देखते हैं. फिल्म देखने के ऋषि की याद आ गई. फिर मिलेंगे. ओह या, दैट इज ट्रू. ऋषि इज ऑल्सो अ राइटर इन he's a lyricist, and in this short film Rajat is also a writer. That is true. Ada, my life fan, thank you so much. Hey, Ada is here. Here she is. Okay, go live with Ada Sharma. Hello Babita, hello Sehana again, hello Arya, Tushar. अरे ये तो कुछ और दिख रहा है. What do I see here? What is that?
Hi,
हाँ, here she is.
what's up?
हेलो अदा, कैसी हो तुम यार?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I am good. You won't imagine. I was just doing my action scene. I came back here and I'm just sweating still because it was a crazy scene.
What did
And
you do? How many people
I
did
was
you beat up?
fighting. I was just beating someone up, and I had to because he said something to my heroine in the film in the show. So
So
yeah,
you thrashed her. Very good. I like.
literally, I think I have little bruises also. How are you?
You actually beat him
How
up?
have you
Yeah,
been?
मस्ती में acting वाला beat. Like वो
एक्टिंग वाला यार, ऑफ कोर्स यार, मतलब लेकिन अंदर से फील पूरी ऐसी ले लेता हूँ मैं कि जैसे मैं असली में मार रहा हूँ, टू गेट द फील ऑफ
oh,
इट. या.
nice, nice.
How have
Good
you been?
fun.
How are you shooting? Do you have
Good.
an off today?
I have an off today and I'm back home, so
Oh,
I'm
you're
not
back
doing
home. Oh
anything.
yeah, you're back home in Bombay. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. तो तुम अकेली लाइफ पे हो या राधा भी साथ में है? Is Radha
हाँ,
along with you?
राधा रेस्ट कर रही है, वो बहुत थकी हुई है, हम लोग सोए
Oh,
नहीं, we were shooting back to back, तो बेचारी उसके
oh,
struggles तो
oh.
कुछ अलग ही, she's resting.
राधा के इंतजार में, उसके प्यार में आधा हो जाऊंगा. आधा आधा तो तुम हो ही.
विनोद है तो विनोद है,
Oh, I see Vinod there. Hi Vinod.
he just
Rajat
smiles.
here. Vinod, how are you doing? विनोद ने शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी है, सोलमेट.
Of course, he's looking for his soulmate also.
Oh,
He
we
would
should
help
help him
him
out.
find his soulmate.
मेरे पास है एक मेरा बहुत क्यूट सा फ्रेंड का डॉग है, उसका नाम नोआ है. तो
हाँ,
वी कैन मेक विनोद मीट नोआ.
विनोद meet him. हाँ.
Tell me, how was your
What are
experience
you
Radha,
doing?
shooting this
What
film?
are
How
you
was your experience with? Let's start with Abir first. How was
Yes.
your experience with shooting with Abir?
I think
Hmm.
I'm very lucky. I feel like working with a director who sort of understands you, you know what that is. You're on the same
Hmm.
wavelength with somebody, and
Yeah.
it really works. I feel it brings magic to the shot because I've worked with people who I'm on some other tangent, they're on another tangent, and then, it's kind of weird. Though I've been pretty lucky to work with good people, but Abir working with him was a dream, like the film, magical, and
I think
that's why
I totally agree with you.
yeah,
I totally agree with you. There is something so simple about this man. Like to understand him, to understand what he's trying to say, and to put your put your input also. It's so
yeah.
easy. Like the whole conversation, it's like a how you put pieces together. It's like that. Whenever you talk to him regarding anything, I think he's a very sorted man, and that makes him a brilliant director. He's got his
Yeah, and
vision for
he's
everything.
really sure on of what he wants to do. Like he knows what he wants to get out of the shot. So I think then working with someone like that is like a lot of fun.
Yeah, yeah. I think you've done one more stuff with him, right? You've done
Yes, Man
something
to
else
Man
also.
is another film that we shot after
Man to
after
Man.
Souls. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that was fun as
And now he's shooting another big film, Indu Ki Jawani, I guess. He's gonna be big.
yes.
I
He's
told him, please
already.
मुझे ले लो यार. Yeah, but
So what did you do during the
anyway,
lockdown? Did you just started shooting,
I
huh?
no, I've been shooting for 2.5 months already.
2 months. Oh wow. Okay.
It was so
Nice.
scary, Ada, to be honest, when we started shooting because there was whole pandemic and there was entire lockdown all around. And गाड़ी लेकर निकलता भी था तो मुझे लगता था कोई रोक ना ले कि कहाँ जा रहे हो, ऐसे कैसे जा रहे हो, कहाँ ये वो. But then we had this document where we could show that we have a permission for shoot. But it was
Huh.
scary. The entire road empty, vacant, nothing was there. मतलब 7 बजे शाम को जब मैं शूट करके वापस आ रहा होता था तो खाली रोड
Khali
होती थी.
khali.
It was scary sometimes.
But
Yeah, it
now when
was
I
really
came,
scary sometimes.
the road is full now. People are just out now. I
अभी तो
like
आई
the
थिंक
road.
पीपल हैव गिवन होप. मतलब आई थिंक पीपल हैव कम टू अ कंक्लूजन, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. लेकिन
Yeah,
it's
but that's
growing
not
people. We
good.
have
So
to,
I mean,
no, it's very bad. This is the time we have to make sure that we take all the precautions. This is the time we need to take more precautions, I think.
I agree,
So yeah,
and I feel like by misbehaving now, then later we'll have a situation.
tell me something about Preeti. Yaar. How was what do you think about your character Preeti? There are two
Also,
Preetis
producer
especially.
names.
Was it
A lot of
difficult
people have
shooting
asked
like
me
that?
that. Sorry, I think
Hmm.
that I said our producer's name. Sorry, I think they're overlapping because our lag is there. Huh? People who are watching, it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
that we feel like overlapping each other. But yeah, so my character is Preeti, and our producer is also Preeti. And I sort of kind of identified actually with this character. I usually don't identify with most of the characters I play. I mean, I was possessed in 1920, and Commando, I don't identify with Bhavna Reddy, though I love playing like a larger than life. She's brave and she's very bold and stuff. But Preeti, I kind of sort of, the way she reacts to a lot of things, I identify with her a lot. Did you identify with Rajat?
Oh, a lot actually.
You also believe in
A
magic?
lot.
I do believe in magic. I do believe in soulmates. I do believe in I believe it to a deeper extent actually, to be honest, about soulmates. So yeah,
Really?
I did I actually believe in it. Probably
Then
when we were
elaborate
acting, I
more
think you
about
must have seen it how convinced I was with those filmy lines because I
Yeah,
am
you're very
convinced somewhere.
convinced, and I must add, very convincing. That is more important than just being convinced. I think you were extremely convincing
Yeah,
also, which was really nice. Because those lines are really tough
yeah.
to say them convincingly and get people to believe it. So many people have like messaged me and said, "Wow, when he says that, then I actually believe in love." So mission
Yeah, that's
accomplished.
true. I think that's because I also believe now. You also, I hope you also believe in it somewhere. You do you?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, the concept of loving, being a loving human being, yes, I do believe in that. But yeah, I would like to believe in the soulmate concept also, actually. Yeah, yeah, I believe.
I tell you a deeper thought about soulmates. So what they
Please.
say is about soulmate that soulmate is not supposed to be there for your entire life. Like it's not necessary that soulmate will come and be there with you for your entire life. He might come to your life, change something about you, and he might leave also. That's the entire idea about soulmates. Something who's
Oh,
similar to you is soul twin. So there's more deeper understanding towards soulmates.
then I have many, if that is the concept. I'm lucky to have
Exactly the
found
point.
many. Yeah,
Also,
many. Yeah.
sometimes what happens, sometimes what happens is because we have signed a soul contract before coming to this planet, coming to this earth. So we don't know who's gonna be our soulmate. Sometimes what happens, we fail to understand them. Also, sometimes they come to you and they give you a lesson through pain, through harsh realities. Sometimes they
Okay,
hurt you and they
नहीं
leave you,
वैसे
but
soulmate
it
नहीं चाहिए
changes
मुझे.
you. But it changes you for the rest of your life for your betterment. That's how it works.
Then maybe my
So yeah.
dentist has also been my soulmate because he's removed my wisdom teeth, given me a lot of pain. But after that, I was quite happy. He did change my life. So, बहुत सारे soulmates हैं.
Oh. How was it difficult playing two different characters, like the soul and
No,
the body? Because
uh,
there was a slight different, the difference between both the characters. But थोड़ा सा तुमने ऊपर नीचे किया है, कुछ तो किया है तुमने अलग. Because when I see it, I could feel it. कि it's different. This is different.
thank you. I'm glad you noticed. Like Abhi said, you
Of
want
course,
to
I
keep it
know.
100. It shouldn't be fully different because it's not like Sita or Geeta. It's not twins who are twins.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Uh,
There is a slight difference, but it's the same. That's what I felt while
yeah.
seeing it.
Yeah, so it's same but different. It's the same girl.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it
yeah.
was quite because the body is what people are seeing at all times, and the soul is what someone can't see. So it's how you behave, say when you know no one's watching you, and how you behave as to when you know you're being watched by people. Our behaviors are a little different. However free we are when people are watching us, I think our behaviors are a little different if we're totally by ourselves and if you know someone's watching. So that difference I did.
Also the Preeti with body has more factor, right? You added more factor
Yeah,
to
she's
it.
very proper. That's what I said. If you know people are watching you,
Yeah,
you'll be a little proper. As to if you know nobody's
yeah, a
watching
little
you and no one
conscious.
can see
That's
you,
true.
yeah,
That's true.
you'll be like, I don't
Yeah,
care.
and the soul is so natural, free flowing. Doing
Yeah,
whatever she feels like, so happy and
that's
so natural, so live.
thank you.
Yeah,
Have you
I
met
loved
your
it by the way.
soulmate
I saw
yet?
it.
Yet?
Apparently, I happened to see the film when I was dubbing for it, and I was dubbing my scenes, and I said I wanted to see Ada scene. I want to see what she's done. I was too
Uh-huh.
curious because
Was.
our dubbing part is quite nice. So
Huh.
Abhi said, "So you want to see it? So give me 10 minutes." So he showed me the entire film while we were dubbing. So I was awestruck. I was like, "Wow, so how she's done it? It's brilliant."
So sweet.
And
Thank you. Thank you.
it was
But it was
brilliant
really
actually. I,
not
I was kind of
well.
mesmerized. Also, I want to confess you while shooting with you because apparently we were not able to see each other before the shoot and we happened to meet
Yeah,
right
है
before
ना?
the
I
shoot,
met
right before
right
my
there.
scene.
Huh.
Yeah, and I was little consciously okay, it's Ada Sharmayan. She's good, and I have to be in front of her, and I have to convince her with my lines. I'm like, oh, okay, I have to do this.
I was
So,
very
but then
convinced,
thankfully it
I would
happened.
say.
Thankfully, it happened nicely, and I think most of it was one take. We didn't have to. Yeah,
Yeah, we
yeah,
didn't mess up too much. I didn't have to
yeah,
actually
yeah,
speak too much. You were the one with the dialogues. No, I had to just give
yeah.
my my दूसरी Ada, the looks, and I had
Look,
to figure those
look, ये
out.
क्या बोल रहा है, ये क्या बोल रहा है, सुन रही है, ये क्या बोल रहा
हाँ,
है?
सुन रही क्या बोल रहा है वो दूसरी वाली is like wow magic and then you still believe in the magic. अरे वो line तो बहुत सही है. I think in your career
That's my
to be
favorite line.
yeah, who gets to say lines like that? That's such a nice line. That believe
Yeah,
in magic wala line. I really like that.
believe in magic. Let the magic happen to you.
Let the magic happen to you.
Yeah.
So real life में have you found your soulmate yet? Are you looking?
I honestly don't really know if I found, if I've lost, or if I'm still waiting for it, or there's another one to come. I'm always confused with it. I have a little confused life. But whosoever comes, I accept
Cheers.
them with all my love, and whosoever leaves, I let them go with all my love. That's how you should be.
Okay,
That's
okay.
how it should be. Unconditional love.
Yeah, yeah, I agree.
So yeah.
If someone wants to leave, bye.
Hey, let me ask if anybody wants to ask any questions about soulmates. Let me see what people are asking.
Yeah. Hi, MM.
Okay.
Hello, hello, laughing crying face. Thumbs up. Hand.
Mudassir, thumbs up. Okay. Hi, Malharji.
Thank you
Oh,
for
Malharji is my character
listening.
in the show I'm doing. Nitya. Anybody wants to ask anything from Ada? This is the time because you
Oh,
might not
Sehbaz,
get
come
time.
on, ask us stuff, guys. Sehbaz want to run away. You're shooting now. You run away in the middle now. He has to get back to his action scene.
No, no, I will wait for you. Yeah, I hardly get time to talk to you, Ada. We still have to meet for a
Listen,
coffee.
we don't have
And
even one picture together. Do you know this?
yeah, I was looking for pictures and I realized shit, we did not click
Nothing.
a
We don't have
single
one
picture.
sentiment picture. Nothing we have. These guys asked me. They said,
Probably
"Can you post something of both of you guys together?" And I was like, "I don't have any pictures." And they were like, "A selfie also will do." And I said, "I don't have anything. Nothing." Wow.
same happened with
But
me. Yeah.
what's
I think we were
amazing,
too
Bobby
engrossed with
है
the
तुम
script.
सबकी.
Okay,
What?
someone's asking what's your new movie that's coming. Black Shadow's asking, is there a new movie coming, Ada?
For me, there is Soulmates important to have an. Yeah, there's Commando 4, but I don't know when we're going to shoot it. We'll shoot after this. And there's Man to Man also, which Abir, who's directed Soulmate, has directed, where I play a man.
I was supposed to do a character in a Man to Man, but I missed out on it because I was
The
shooting for
lawyer
Tuch
or
Se
what?
Raabta.
The lawyer?
The lawyer, yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanted to do it, but I couldn't make it because I was shooting for this and I didn't get time. I wanted
Arey.
to because Abhi told me you are doing it, so I thought, oh, I want to do it too. Then, but it didn't
Huh,
happen somehow.
there are these whole scenes with the lawyer that I have, like the whole. Oh, I shouldn't give out. But there are these
Ah,
very
yeah,
low.
yeah,
Fun. नहीं नहीं.
yeah.
Next वाला करते हैं. Plan को. Again, this
Okay.
guy saying भाभी है तुम सबकी.
Somebody
What is
saying your
that? अच्छा,
video is
I'm
mostly.
everybody else's भाभी. Okay.
Thank you, people.
No,
Thank you for those
we have
beautiful
to
lines.
only ask each other. Yeah,
Ha,
it's
ha,
not
ha. Hey, you wanna ask
girls.
anything from me?
Lots of hearts. Thank you.
Yeah. How
And
was?
for those
Arey,
of you who
I'm
haven't,
a big
sorry.
fan of Vandana ma'am also. Vandana.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
your
yeah. Please
mother.
tell me about her. Yeah, I couldn't see her, couldn't meet her because I have no scene with her. So you tell me about her.
Uh, so I loved working with her, and I think it
She's
required
awesome.
like really good chemistry with both of us. And I really hit it off with her. I think she's a fab actress, so to bounce off the lines
Oh,
with
she.
her and both the others was like really nice. That's like a lot of fun.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
It's quite good actually. How she's very natural. The way she says everything, na, it's so convincing. Somehow you believe that whatever she's saying,
yeah, and
it's
she
it
has that
it is.
little humor streak also that she does. And
Yeah,
sorry, one
yeah,
second. People have said that I'm blurred. Am I blurred?
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what people are saying.
But I'm just sitting at home. I have full network. Should I come closer? Is this better? Now am I blurred? Somebody comment. Like four,
Yeah,
five
it's
comments.
not completely clear actually. अभी हुआ था
What
clear?
I use? Ada ma'am have
Should I?
internet issue. No, yeah. Actually, first time I'm like, I was so happy with this live because I said it's in my house and I have full network Wi-Fi. Like usually I have problems, but still not clear. Now maybe if I
No,
come
no.
closer, that
Is there any
somebody
apps
tell me.
running on your phone? Are there any other apps running on your phone?
I don't think so.
See if there are any other apps coming. Just try to. Oh, it's अभी क्लियर हुआ था फिर चला गया.
हो गया? Clear? It suddenly became closer, no? Oddly.
Yeah, yeah. It zoomed a bit.
I don't know how to zoom out now. Okay. Stand is falling. Huh.
हाँ हाँ
Is it
हुआ. It's clear now. It's much clear. Are
really?
you?
Uh-oh.
No. अरे यार.
What is not clear? I'm sitting in my house. How is it not clear in the house? Then that's really bad. Anyway,
Just
then look
imagine.
at my answer.
I'm I'm sitting in mud, and it's. I don't know how I'm getting good connection. I'm not supposed to
You're
usually
quite
get
good.
good
Twice
connection.
that buffering happened, but otherwise you're quite good. Your face is clear.
Hmm.
So,
Now
guys
clear.
who
Somebody
haven't
says.
seen Soul Sathi yet, go watch it. It's on Eros now. And if you believe in love, you must watch it. If you don't believe in love, Sevan will convince you to believe in love. So then also you must
I
watch
will absolutely convince you.
it.
Do you want to be convinced again? You can ask more questions. I can tell you more about
Yeah,
soulmates and how they support you together.
I'm asking. Chalo, convince. Convince all those cynics who don't believe in soulmates. And tell them
Just
the
put a hand on
magic.
your camera first. Somebody said just put a hand on your camera first and then remove it and see it if it clears your screen on the camera.
This front camera like this.
Yeah, like
Clear?
cover it completely and then
Is it covered? Is it covered?
hold on. Okay, remove it now. Nah, it's still the same.
What nonsense. Maybe I
All
should
right.
put, there are these very cool filters. See this. Now is it clear?
There's no filter yet.
What do you mean?
Maybe the filter is only for you.
Are you serious? You can't see what it's doing to my eyes or what?
I think it's blurry. No, I cannot see it now. Should I
No
should I
way. What the hell?
put should
क्या
I
यार?
cut you off and put you
Seriously?
back again?
Now you can see anything now?
Oh
You're
yeah. Whose
acting
eyes are
girl.
these? Oh shit, those are scary. Oh, you got your teeth on your eyes, yeah?
You can see that. So now
Don't
there are
scare
three
them, yeah.
mouths. Yeah. Watch Soul
After watching
Sathi.
Soulmate, they are in love with you. Don't take them
Yeah.
back to 1920.
Oh man. Okay, tell more stuff. Tell more stuff. Give tips to
Yeah.
people on. Give tips to. Okay. I'll ask. Give if you're on a date with a girl. What's
Yeah.
that one thing that she has to do that gets you impressed?
Oh, she has to be natural. You have to be natural. Don't put on a show. Be natural, be what you are, and be realistic. That's what matters. Like, that's what people like about girls. And, some people, I've seen some girls behave very, awkward and very, either they behave too loud, either they behave too confident to show off that they're too cool. It
Hmm.
doesn't work. You have to be what you are. If you want to convince that people that you're a nice person or whatever you are, just show your real self to the person, and probably that will work every time. Because we buy. Yeah, so that's true.
Wait. Your last line went
That's what
away.
I
You
believe.
said bye, and then it
Yeah,
went.
so if you put your real self in front of the guy you're meeting or the guy you want to be with, just be what you are, be yourself. It works every time. I think so. For all the guys, it works. We all believe in reality and no
Unless
no
you're a
fake.
very bad person, then you can pretend to be a good person, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah. Also, if you're a bad person, it will easy for that bad person to be put off because you're not seeing any show. Because he might be waiting for some gimmick or
Yeah.
some extra thing which is which is fake. Probably then he will like you. If he is not, he will like you for the way you are. So yeah. What do you think? What do you think a guy should do when he comes for a date, for the first date?
Show up first.
True that.
Number
I
two, maybe I agree with the fakeness. I have a thing with like he shouldn't have like a fake accent, unless
ah
mimicking somebody else, then it's cool. But otherwise, just like that, having a fake accent for me is a very big turn off. Actually,
It's a turn on.
fake,
Yeah, yeah.
fake accents are a little turn off, and I think I'm very attracted to someone who is nice to someone else for no reason, like without an agenda. If he can still be nice to someone, it's a very attractive quality. Like not for any gains, or he's just nice. Like
By nature, like yeah. Like a
somebody, yeah, for no
humility.
reason, he's just
Like humility you're talking about. Somebody, the person has to be humble in real life.
yeah, that would be really nice.
That's actually, yeah. That's a turn on actually. Humility
Yeah, for
adds a
me,
lot.
very big.
Mm.
Yeah.
Have you been on dates before, like coffee dates, like how Rajat met Preeti? Have you been on those kind of
No,
dates
yeah,
before?
I was asked by somebody also. Sorry, everyone is telling me I'm still blurred. Should I reconnect? I'll
Yeah,
send you
yeah.
a request. 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Let's try that.
Accept me again, huh?
Huh. Oh, guys. Okay, so we're gonna try that again. Like we've been told that she's not clear. So let's see. Maybe this time. Okay. I hope she fixes the internet and comes back to us. Nobody wants to ask anything from Ada. She's such a beautiful girl, yeah. I have so many questions. I can ask directly. Okay, I think Ada is. Where is she? Oh, I found her. Okay. Here she comes. One more try. I hope this works this time.
Am I clear now?
Okay.
Is it better? No? Seriously? Are you
What?
kidding
Yeah, your
me?
mom is using your internet. Yeah, she's watching a movie on internet or what?
It's just
Somebody.
me who's connected. Anyway, then people can hear my voice. It's fine. So you had asked
Yeah.
me something very nice. What had you asked me? Have I been on dates before? So someone
Yeah.
had asked me this. Lalita is grinding stuff, huh? If you can hear, chutney is being made. Anyway, so yeah, I haven't actually, and the thought just gives me anxiety to go on a date with somebody who I don't know. Okay, like
Mm.
I can't even think about it. Like I just get anxiety just thinking, like, oh my God, I have to sit across the table with somebody I don't know. It freaks me out. So no, I
It does?
haven't. Yeah, I can't. I really just can't. I just die.
Ada, you should let's go for a coffee together. I'll ease you up. I'll take you nicely
But you
and
I
now
know
you
now I've worked with you. Now it's different. But before our movie launch, you said you had to meet me. I would
So
make some excuse and be like, I'll meet you. Let's next week. We'll just all right. Or at the most, if I had to meet you and we couldn't avoid it before the movie, I'm saying I would say, come, let's go to watch a movie because there you can avoid the person. Huh? In a theater, you're sitting here. We can watch
yeah,
and we have minimal conversation.
that's a smart way actually to avoid people. Like
I
take
can
them
write
for
a
a
book on
movie.
how to avoid people and.
To avoid but not avoid. It's like that. It's like in between, avoiding and not avoiding, but avoiding at the same time. Yeah, like you met
Expert.
the person also. You met the person also. You took her for the you gone to movie also, but you are avoiding at the same time because you're watching a movie. Wow,
You're watching in the
I
middle.
should
I'll be
learn
like, shh,
watching the movie.
shh. Like, we'll talk later. And then
But
after
let
that,
me
you're
tell
like,
you one
oh,
more thing.
sleep.
Let me tell you one more thing. So what happens is people think that going for a movie is a date. Why? Because they think now everybody is watching the movie and now you're on a date. So the guy thinks that probably this is the time to do something because you asked the guy not for a coffee in front of everyone where people are sitting, but in a dark place where people are watching the movie
I
and
didn't do
you
that.
can.
Uh-oh. I did
So
not
I
think of
don't
that.
know.
But if anyone tries to do something in a movie theater, I'll be like, what are you doing? Concentrate on the movie. You have no respect for the movie.
And he'll be like,
Okay?
"What? What?" I thought we came here for a date, not for a movie. So yeah,
Movie dekho, like we are actors. I'll be like, respect,
yeah.
hello, we'll talk after this. And then
He,
after that, say, I'm very
he'll,
tired. I'm so sleepy. I'll
he,
talk to you later. Bye.
he'll be confused. The guy will be utterly confused. He'll be saying, "I don't know why has she called me." Okay, I don't understand. Let's watch a movie for now, and we'll see. So yeah,
Yeah. So, yeah, where do you go on dates? Please share.
yeah. I I I I have no words right now, to be honest. I've been working and shooting so much, so I haven't been on
So
dates
that
for the longest time now. I think the only dates I've been having are on-screen dates right now. That's all I've been living on.
I think that's
Seriously,
the only thing.
and it's been 6 months already, 4 months already after the lockdown. Nothing, everything is shut. Everything is shut. All you can do is go for a drive, pick a coffee or something, and then come back and take a round around something. That's all the life has become now. I hope everything gets fine. यार. I hope we all recover from it soon and we go back to a normal life soon.
Fingers crossed. Yes.
Yeah,
So
let's hope so.
soon then.
Hmm. So are you actually not waiting for your soulmate? Are you not waiting for your soulmate? You should, yeah, right?
I'm really happy
I think you're such a
with
beautiful girl. You're young, so young. You should, this is the time to wait for your soulmate or look for someone who can be your soulmate.
okay, हाँ to
You
wait.
you
Yeah,
should
yeah, I'll
start
wait.
giving chances to people.
बहुत time है, बहुत time. I'm very good company. I really enjoy my own company, and I've been enjoying my own company. And through the lockdown, I think I'm very good company for me also, and I'm the happiest. So this is nice,
You
yeah.
become see, this is the problem. After Modi's speech, now everybody is trying to become Atmanirbhar. This is what
And
the problem is.
but he doesn't know I've been practicing Atmanirbharti,
So we-
Atmanirbharness from when I was born.
yeah.
Like the brand ambassador of it.
People are saying अपना नंबर लगवा लो आधा के सामने आधा सिंगल है ऐसा बोल रहे हैं लोग यार.
तो कर रहे अभी ऑनलाइन डेटिंग ना दिस इज नाउ मूवी देखो
Everything has
आपको
become online right now.
but everything is
So
online
true.
best. I love it like this. Though I'm
Yeah.
moving things fine, of course. I don't want people dying, but this is you know enjoying this as well.
Yeah.
Soul Sati can be a total Hollywood. Someone has actually written a paragraph, so I'm going to read it out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hollywood chick flick. It shouldn't have been a short film. It would have been a full film. Anisa sending love from the US. Love you, Sevan. I can listen to you talk all day. She says, "How
How sweet is
sweet!
that? Yeah. That's
How
Anisa.
sweet!"
Thank you so much, Anisa, to share afterward. How sweet is that? Thank you so much. Thank
We
you.
should actually make a full length of this. I think we should tell Abir. So many people have
Yeah.
asked me when to make full length of
Honestly, when I read the script, I spoke to Abhin. I said I thought this could be a film, like a proper film. And then
है ना?
yeah, after shooting also, he said, Sevan, I also think because me as Rajat, I had so much to give. I had so much to give, and I'm sure you also had so much to give into this character.
Yeah,
मतलब
there's so
ऐसा
much
लग रहा है
to it, and this is just the layout of it, maybe.
है ना? Probably there should be a second version of it, of like soulmate ka second part, where we fight and we realize probably we're not the soulmate, and then we realize no, we are the soulmate or something like that.
Nahi, you should take that. You took that soul and went, na, abhi
Yeah,
body. So then you'll be
Abhi
like,
body
"Arey, I think I like that body better."
probably, or probably body is feeling feeling left out because
Maybe.
there's something like he's not being physically or whatever, I don't know, not being there or something,
Arey, there's
and
so much we can do. Abir,
है
if
ना?
you're watching. If you're not watching, also we call
Abhi,
you.
if you're listening to this, if you're watching this, please note our points, and Anushri, you also, and bring something.
Yeah, that will be fun.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, all of
Anything,
you. Love
something
Ahmedabad.
about soulmate? Anything special you want to talk about soulmate before we leave?
I think it's a project that will always stay really close to us. Also, because for me, the experience of shooting is, if that's good, that then you think of the project. Uh, yeah, I've had very good memories when I think of Soul Sati. I have a smile on my face all the time. So it's a project that will be
Uh,
really close to me, and I'm sure to you as well. So
People have come to me.
people
People
have.
have come to me and told me that Sehwan, this film is such a happy film, it's such a romantic fantasy that इसको देख के ना you actually detach from the world for some time and you feel how beautiful it can be. तो I think this film gives that feel to the viewers. मुझे भी खुद भी देख कर ना जब मैं देखता हूँ film, it's so beautifully shot and beautifully done, and of course whatever you're doing and whatever your scenes with Vandana ma'am are so beautiful. They are mesmerizing. ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, This is how a relationship should be between mother and a daughter, between, a soul and a body. This is how
No,
it
I
should
think
be.
that, yeah, that Abhi told us it'll be like a fairy tale, and I think it is a full fairy tale only. Uh, so, yeah, that's what I
It is
really
a full
like. Not
fairy
many fairy tales are made in India, actually. In Indian cinema, we don't have
Yeah.
like Beauty and the Beast or Cinderella. This is a full chick flick
This is a
fairy
full
tale.
fairy tale. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I
So,
remember that one scene where you improvise, where I'm sitting at a coffee table, and I look at you, and I'm looking from far, and then you go down and you go under the table. You remember that you improvised on it, and it
I
was so
said,
nice,
oh, I
and
was like, hitting it.
it was
Yeah.
really nice and natural. I'm like, wow, this is good, yeah. How she improvised and everything. So yeah, that was impressive. As an actor to actor, impressive.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's very sweet. Thank you.
Mm.
Do you want to tell
Hey,
anyone
remember,
anything about Soulmate, Soul Sathi? Um,
I believe that everybody should watch the film firstly because they will get to know what we're talking about when it comes to soulmate. I believe that there are soulmates for you, and there might not be just one soulmate. If you've been broken, if your heart has been broken, so there's a possibility you might meet another soulmate will be who might be your soulmate. So he might come and change your life. There is another possibility that he might hurt you and leave. But that process is more important because in that process, you are realizing what you are and you're becoming a better person in life. That's what a real job is of a soulmate, to make you the rightest person or to make you a better person for your entire life. So please watch this film and you will gonna love it. Rishi Rishi is another character who I played, was another writer. So yeah,
ah,
Rajat is another
all
writer who
ours.
comes to, yeah. I don't know why I get characters to play who are mostly writers or lyricists or poets. I love it though.
You have that
But
this thing, na?
yeah, yeah. थोड़ा है थोड़ा सा.
Hey,
That's why. So yeah, I think whosoever gonna watch the film will love it, and please watch it. Rajat comes to Preeti's life, and what happens next is what is important. The conversation between both of them will might change your perspective towards life. That's what I believe in, and I think that's what our
yes.
director believe in, and that's what the film says. That have a belief, wait for the magic to happen to you, and it will happen to you.
ठीक है
Yeah, we had
चलो
another moment here.
to get back to action. I will
Yeah.
get back to eating chutney sandwich.
Chutney sandwich. Oh, okay.
I really
Somebody
felt
make
like
it
eating,
sandwich.
yeah. In Hyderabad, I was in Hyderabad. I didn't get to eat. Like I wanted this particular mamma ka chutney sandwich for
I know.
days.
That's why अभी चटनी जो बन रही थी घर में ना, मिक्सी जो चल रही थी, वो
Uh,
चटनी बन रही थी. सुना
and
मैंने.
then chutney with raisins and badam, high calorie, yummy
यार,
chutney.
how lucky you are to be with your mom. यार, I wish my
I'm
mom was
very,
here staying with me.
very, very, very lucky. Really lucky.
All right, Ada.
All right, this was
All
fun.
right.
Hope to
Yeah, I
see you
think we're gonna do one
soon.
more live soon again because most of the time we
Yeah,
were
yeah.
blurred here. So probably some other
Possible,
time
yeah.
we'll do a
It's
proper
so
live.
bad, and yeah.
Yeah. Maybe next time we'll
Yes,
fix a date. We'll fix an
yes.
online date and be online again.
Done. Okay.
Bye
ठीक है.
bye.
See you soon. Have fun doing
See you
action.
soon.
Bye. Those who've not watched Soul Sathi yet, it's on Eros. Go watch. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
See you. Bye.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you loved the conversation. I know Ada wasn't properly visible. I am sorry for that. And probably we might come back soon again and with another live. And you guys have a good time. Lots of love. Please watch Soul Sati on Eros now. If you don't have Eros now, log into Eros now and create an account and watch it. And please tell all of us how it is. Thank you so much. Bye bye.